And tens of thousands of people in the far north of Mozambique are bracing for violent flooding as torrential rain pushes up water levels after the death and devastation wrought by cyclone Kenneth. The first floods have already been seen in some parts of Pemba, the capital of Cabo Delgado province, as well as in surrounding areas lashed by heavy rain since daybreak.
Fields on the outskirts of the city that had been lush green just a day earlier were now brown with floodwater. Idai hit central Mozambique 6 weeks ago, and communities in that region are still reeling from floods that swept away homes, roads and bridges, leaving around 1,000 people dead and hundreds of thousands without shelter. This time around, 1,000 kilometers further north, the city of Pemba and its 400,000 inhabitants face similar dangers. According to figures provided by the Mozambique authorities to NGOs, around 200,000 people in Pemba are in danger. A preliminary toll published Sunday by the National Institute of Disaster Management found 5 people have died, more than 23,000 people are without shelter, and nearly 35,000 homes have been either partly or completely destroyed. A number of UN agencies have deployed response teams in Pemba, while the World Food Programme has started distributing food rations to stranded people, but has been forced to suspend operations to the most isolated areas where roads have been cut off. A helicopter was expected to arrive in Pemba to resume operations as quickly as possible. Before smashing into Mozambique, Kenneth passed by the Comoros Islands.